Thank you, Aimee Runyon, for your garage door repair testimonial. According to Aimee, I called at 5 p.m. on Saturday, in desperate need of help. The spring to my garage door broke, so I was unable to open the garage door. And my car was inside. I am a single mom, and care for my elderly parents. I really needed help. Rick, the owner, and his son, were at my house an hour or so later. My door was in rough shape. And I know that being in a desperate state, someone could have taken advantage and tried to force me to purchase a whole new system. Rick was honest and kind. He worked to repair the damage and replace only the parts that weren't working. I paid less than one-half of what others would have charged. He did a great job, but more importantly, he did business with integrity. I'm so grateful that Rick helped me on a Saturday night. This is my first, and will be the only garage company that I will ever use. Thank you, Aimee. Turn to affordable garage door throughout the Phoenix area for A to Z garage door maintenance and repair services. We're always here to help you with any garage door issue.